Yorubas they instigate Ghana people, make them chase Igbo people come out. How market? Àwọn olófò, àwọn olórí burúkú. When I don't see them now, not be only Igbo people now they are chasing. They are not chasing Nigerians. They say the whole Nigerians. Àwọn olórí burúkú. Àwọn ọmọ Igbo àwọn ọmọ yín wọ́n ti di nǹkan mi, wọ́n ti di nǹkan mi, wọ́n ti di agbèrò, wọ́n ti di akalori. Ọmọ tí àwọn Igbo ń pe akalori. Wọ́n ti di akalori. Ṣó yẹ yín sìn? Ó wálé ní ìlú òyìnbó, wọ́n ń ṣe nǹkan mi ní ìlú òyìnbó. Wọ́n ń jalè, wọ́n ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan ní ìlú òyìnbó. Àwọn olófò kò ní dá fún gbogbo yín. Àwọn alákọ̀rí. How market? Now, they no longer say Igbo people should go. They say now Nigerians must go. So who is Igbo? Who is Yoruba? Who is everybody now is involved? You see it? You people, some of the animals on social media are still busy. Very, very busy. Still campaigning for Ghanians to chase the Igbos away. You guys can continue to chase Igbos away. And then now, very soon, other countries will start to chase you animals away. You are doing politics with yourselves. You understand? You are instigating people everywhere you go. You form betrayal kingdom and betrayal group, club, just to become president that you people cannot handle. Shame on you, shame on Yorubas, bigots. Why I'm saying like this, for you people to know that when you come the next life, you will know how to behave. Igbos have done nothing against you people, and you people should leave them. You are ruling. Your Baba that is ruling is destroying more lives than every other president that has ever ruled the country. What have you guys got to say? Nothing. You are instigating and encouraging people to chase the Igbos away. Igbos have come to Lagos to develop Lagos, and you people want to grab Lagos. They are now in other countries. They left you people in your useless place and went to other countries to do their business. You people chase them to other countries, asking those people to chase them away, to drive them away. You went to South Africa, you went to Zimbabwe, you went to Dubai. Nobody does fraud more than Yorubas. There is one they call Monfa. There is the biggest one you know is a hush puppy. There is one in America that took taxpayers, unemployment people money, people who know the work, disabled. He take their money, $10 million a day Yomi or something a day in use in United States. And you people are shouting, chase Igbos away, like Igbos have done what you people have not done. You guys have done worse things than in Igbo. The ones that are rapists in Britain, you see, Britain didn't chase them away. They didn't shout, Nigerians must go. Rapists in Britain, you didn't see it all over UK. They caught matured men raping kids in United Kingdom. Nobody shouted Nigeria must go. Nobody shouted Yoruba must go. Àwọn olórí burúkú, àwọn alákọ̀rí, àwọn olófò, ògiri àlàpà, wọ́n máa wo gbogbo yín lẹ̀. Wọ́n máa pa gbogbo yín one by one. We're going to get you people one by one. Idiots, Yorubas, bigots.